It's raining this morning, and I decided, since I'm not going to catch any snakehead, I'd come down to the river, try and get some bass. I forget the name of it. It's a zoom bait. Little crawdad looking thing. And he ate it right up. It's probably like half a pound. And here's number 2. Look at that. Pretty nice looking fish. Number 3. Right on top of the mountain. Having a pretty good morning. Oh shit! I had my pole sitting on the dock. And my deal was floating in the water. A fish took it. And then I snapped my line. Well, that's it for me for now. Let's go eat some Cocoa Puffs. Alright, well, I gotta take the little kiddo to school. Say hi.
Hi.
And then the weather will determine what I do for lunch this afternoon. Don't know if I'm gonna go bass fishing, if we're gonna go to the pond for some snakehead. I don't know. We'll see. Catch you then. Hey, so the weather's still crappy, so we're just gonna head to the tackle shop.
I love it.
What's up, dude? This is a cool ass fishing store.
Yeah, it's a nice store, isn't it?
Look at this crazy assortment.
Yeah.
I like it, you know?
A lot of good stuff in here.
Heck yeah, dude.
Let's check it out. Let's see what they got.
Snakefish.
They have an assortment of frogs that will blow your mind.
Wow. It's the money maker.
I don't think so.
It is, dude.
Zoom, baby, zoom. That's what I need. Red bug. I'll give it a shot. What you looking at over here?
I'm thinking of these ridiculous prices.
Oh yeah, I know. He's got a thick head, dude. That's deep. You wanna weigh him? Now it's freezing. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to see more.